Hello, this is my quick review of this Belkin surge protector. So as you can see, we're in my pantry and we already have one installed on one side and we are ready to install another one for second side. So if you want to have clean and organized and surge protected pantry or any other space for your electronics, stay with us and we can go and install it right now. Before starting, always make sure to turn off the power at the breaker. Safety first. My husband is removing the original outlet cover here and getting ready to install our second Belkin 6 outlet wall surge protector. It installs directly over standard outlet. Just plug it in, line it up, and secure it with the screw provided. This model is UL certified and offers 900 joules of surge protection, which gives us a peace of mind in our pantry, where we got quite a few devices plugged in. It includes 6 AC outlets plus 2 USB-A ports, great for charging phones or other small electronics without needing bulky adapters. When it's secure, we turn the power back on, and the green protected light lets us know everything good to go. It's compact, sturdy, and perfect not just for pantries, but also for kitchens, garages, home offices, really any space where you need extra outlets and reliable protection. Yeah, so if you're looking for protecting your electronics and organize your space, this Belkin Surge Protector is exactly what you're looking for. Thanks for watching.